Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Kanchan Khedikar, working as an assistant professor in computer science and engineering. In this video, I will explain you introduction to charts in Tableau. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to describe different charting methods in Tableau. Tableau is a business intelligence tool which is used for the visualization. In Tableau, users can create worksheets and various workbooks. They can also share these worksheets, and the worksheets and the workbooks are stored into the Tableau public server. So, let us start with the introduction to charting methods. Basically, there are two charting methods, two common charting methods. The first one is Cartesian coordinate system and the second one is polar coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, we can able to build line chart, bar chart and scatter plot, and in the another charting system, that is polar coordinate system, we can able to draw pie charts and radial charts. So, let us have a closer look to the Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinates allow to specify the location of a point in the plane. The Cartesian coordinate, which is also known as rectangular coordinates of a point, are a pair of numbers that specified sign distances from the coordinate axis. Look at this figure, it shows the Cartesian coordinate system. Now, this is an xy plane. So, here the dots, that means the value of a point, that means the x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So, with the help of or using the xy plane, we can give the values of points. Now, let us see how to draw or how to convert these points into a bar chart. Now, here to convert these points or to convert this into a visualization bar chart, I have taken the Superstore data set. So, this is the summary of the Superstore data set. Look at this table. Here the three columns are given. The first one is region, second one is sales and the third one is profit. Now, in this Superstore data sets, it gives total 4 regions: central, east, south and west, and whatever the sell and profits, these are in terms of $1,000. So, for example, in a central region, the sales is obtained as $501,000 and the profit is $40,000. Here the region is dimension and the sales and profits are the measure. So, dimension, this is the categorical value, whereas the sales and the profit, these two are the numerical value. So, that is why these are the measures. So, let us see how to plot only one field on a graph or on any one axis. So, to draw one field, so that is I have taken here a sales. So, sales is a measure. Now, the values for the sales are $501,000, $678,000, $391,000 and $725,000. So, here I have drawn this plot on I have plotted this value on x axis. So, the value is random, that is it is vary from 391 to 725. So, that is why here I have taken the scale as 0 to 1000. So, look at the first value, sales for $501,000, it is somewhere here after the 500. After that, the next value is $678,000, which is just near the 7,000. Then the third value is $391,000, which is just near the $400,000, and the last value is $725,000. So, this is a single variable plot using one axis, and that axis is x axis. Now, let us see how to add the second variable in a graph. So, look at this table. Here two variables, that is region and sales, are given. Now, look at this chart. Here x axis and y axis is given. So, on x axis there is a cell which is what? Numerical value, and on y axis I have taken a region which is nothing but the dimension. So, this region is central, east, south and west. So, previously I have taken only one value, only single variable. So, that is why it is shown with the help of only single axis, whereas now I have taken two axes, two variables, and these variables are what? Region and cell. So, in this way I can plot the graph, I can plot the scatter plot with the help of xy plane. So, here you can see that the central region having the cells of $501,000. So, here this is the central $501,000. Then for east region the cell is 675. So, for east region the cell is 675. Then for south region the cell is 391, and for west the cell is $725,000. Okay. Now, so this region variable, that is the dimension, is shown on y axis, just now I told you. Now, if we want to convert this plot into a bar chart, then we can convert it, or we can convert it by showing the bars. So, look at here, instead of showing the value as a circle, we can show using the bars on a y axis, and this is known as what? Bar chart. I have taken the same table and the same contents to same variables to draw the bar chart. Now, we can also create this bar chart better by just giving the labels to each and every bar. So, look at here, the central region, at the central region the cell is what? $501,000. So, here the label is there, and because of these labels this bar chart is quite readable. Now, let us see how to plot two major variables. Just previous one we have just drawn the bar chart by using two variables, the one is dimension and the other is measure. Now, here we can draw a bar chart or any chart using two major variable. So, two major variable, that means what? Both values are numerical values. So, here cells and the profit. Look at this graph. Here I have plotted the scatter plot for the cells and the profit. So, on x axis I have taken the cells, and on y axis taken the profit, and according to the cells means $501,000, the profit is $40,000. So, this is shown here with the help of this circle. So, this is called a scatter plot. Both variables are measured on each axis. Now, if we want to show three variables in scatter plot, previously we have shown only two variables in scatter plot and both variables are what? Measures. Now, let us see how to plot a graph or a scatter plot by using three variables. So, look at here, in this table there are three variables, that is region, cells and profit. So, look at here, I have plotted the same scatter plot, only the difference is what? Here I have shown the color, that means the third variable is shown with the help of color. So, the third variable is added using the color in the existing scatter plot. So, look at here, the central region having the sales $501,000, having the profit of what? Having the profit of $40,000. So, I can show this here. Now, let us see the next graph, that is how to show the three variables in the bar chart. So, as we have already seen how to convert the scatter plot into bar chart, now here I have shown the some other type of bar chart. So, the same example, only here the third variable is added using the size in the bar chart. So, look at here, in the central region we know that the profit is minimum, that is $40,000 only. So, this size is shown minimum. Look at here, for every bar the size is different. So, for the maximum profit and that maximum profit is obtained in a west region, that is what? $108,000, which is a maximum profit at west region. So, look at here, west region bar having a size greater than all remaining bars, and the minimum size for the central region, that is only $40,000 profit. Now, we can also show these 3 variables in bar chart by different colors. Okay. So, look at here, the third variable that means what, the profit is added using the color in the bar chart. So, here a profit which is a maximum having the dark color and a profit which is a very minimum profit having the faint color. So, here we have seen the various bar charts and scatter plot. Now, pause the video for a while and answer this question. Which of the following statement is correct? Third piece of information can be shown in the bar chart or a scatter plot using color or size. Dimension and the measure shown using bar charts. Two major variables can be shown using scatter plot or all of the mention. And the answer is all of the mention, because all the statements are correct. Now, let us have a look to the another coordinate system, that is polar coordinate system. A polar coordinate system is a two-dimensional coordinate system in which each point on a plane is determined by a distance from a reference point and an angle from a reference direction. Look at this figure. Here in this figure, this point is shown with the help of radius, this vector as a radius, and there is one angle. So, let us see how to draw a chart with the help of angle. So, let us take the same example of superstore data set. Here I have taken the region and cell, but this cell we have to convert into the percentage and then angle. So, to convert this cell into percentage cell, I have a formula that cells of the region divided by total cells of all region, and if I want to convert this percentage cell into angle, then I have to multiply it by 360-degree angle. Okay. So, here I have calculated the cells in percentage as well as angle. Now, look at this diagram. Here in this diagram, for the central region, here the 79-degree angle is there. For the east region, there is 104-degree angle. For south region, there is 61-degree angle, and for the west region, there is 115-degree angle. Now, if I have convert this angle into colors, I will get this pie chart. So, this pie chart shows measures against the dimension. And what is dimension here? Region. Regions are the dimension, and what are the measures? Cells. Okay, cell is a measure. So, in this video we have seen various bar charts as well as pie chart. Now, in my next video we are going to see how to plot this pie chart as well as bar chart with the help of Tableau. These are the references that I have referred for this video. Thank you.